All About Aira! Hi everybody, I'm Aira. Today we're making Christmas cookies! I got a tray in front of me and I got cookie dough and sprinkles! And there's more sprinkles! Let's stick it. Let's see. Oh, I need some more dough. And then I'm gonna flat out a little bit so it fits the little things. I'm hoping you like the Christmas tree. We just got one more to go. I'll do the foot this time. Now that we're all done, we can put in the oven. Mommy said oven because it's hot. So we have to be careful, guys. Hi guys, here's a snowman cookie and the gingerbread cookie and a Christmas tree cookie. I'm about to put frosting. I like frosting. There, let's see the pretty good so far. Cookie's looking good. Right now I'm doing frosting on my cookie. It's a Christmas tree shape, and we still got to put frosting on it. The cookie looking good so far. I'm gonna do the circle spread after I do this frosting with the lines. Sprinkle time! I guess we need to learn how to be careful making a mess. Let's place this one. They're super messy. We got placed them. I like making cookies with you guys. Isn't this beautiful? We're covering up all the white ones. You like the blue eye shake? This one also, it's like this. It's a blue, but it's a different blue. Ching. So let's see. These ones look beautiful. They're blue, white, and these ones are white, red, green. Those ones are beautiful. I'm gonna do this one, guys. Now we have a Christmas tree. We're putting Christmas lights on. Not too much. So guys, I can't wait to eat them. Tell us in the comments which sprinkles you like. It's looking good so far. That's what I call it. All done! It's a gingerbread man. Guys, I'll be right back. And guys, I'm all back. I got my favorite one. So this time we're going to do one at a time, guys. You want rain? Guys, how do you like my cookie? There's so many. There's only 3 cookies. This one, it's a gingerbread man. And this one, it's a snowman. And this one's a Christmas tree. I like them. Guys, I like this one. It ice on it. So which one's your favorite? The Christmas tree? Or this one? Or this one? And now it's time to eat them, guys! They're good. I want to make this just blue because now it looks like ice and I like it. Now it's time to eat the Christmas tree, guys. Gingerbread man next. This is good, guys. Don't they look beautiful, guys? That's it for my video. Bye, guys.